But ultimately, once you have, who you're going after, you got your messaging on point. You want to build, this is just a metaphor, like a hub that converts. And one piece of this, at least on the online world, is your website, right? Because a lot of, whether your paid traffic, social media, PPC, Google My Business, all this ties back to your website in some form or fashion. So that is why a website, a website alone won't do you a whole lot of good, but a website with intentions to drive traffic to it, that's where the magic can happen. So you want to make sure that it's built to convert, and you want to have, you want to be mobile friendly. You want to have clickable phone numbers. You want to have the plugins on the website that, when you scroll, the button sits there. This is what we do for our clients. Like, as you scroll, there's always a button there they can just tap and make the call. Because again, most of our clients, at the end of the day, a phone call lead is the most valuable lead, right? Some people like to do form fills and all that in email, but those don't convert as high as a phone call, right? You want Bob sitting in his basement, water up to his knees, and he needs help. That's the call you want. So you want to make sure that it's a clean website, and if you have something else too, I like to bring up is personalization, right? So in this client, for example, this client's website, you can see they have branded trucks and vans and all that. Well, they got professional pictures taken of that. So when a prospect shows up here, they're like, all right, this company looks legit. It's actually a background, of Charlotte. That's where this client's located. It'll connect with the demographics they're going after, right? It doesn't look like, I see this all the time too. It looks like you'll see cookie cutter with stock image restoration websites. And I guess I have an eye for that because I'm in this business, but I think a person in this day and age, people shop enough on the internet to know, they're like, oh, I don't even know if this company's legit, right? Like I don't see any company photos. I don't see any pictures of any actual people on here. So the personalization can help from a conversion aspect as well. So those are some things to keep in mind. And here's a few others that you guys can, again, I kind of already mentioned the authentic images. Videos can be super powerful. If you guys have any like company overview videos, or what I really like too, if you have any video testimonial interviews, these are going to be a little bit more difficult to get from the homeowner. But if you do an awesome job, and maybe you can even offer Bob a $50 discount if he shoots a video testimonial for you, talking about how great of a job you did, right? Because people feel that'll help convert. When people see that video, they're like, man, if ABC Restoration did a good job for Bob, I'm assuming he's going to do a good job for me. So that can be very powerful. You want to have your reviews. I don't say everybody, but a lot of people read reviews before they make a purchase, right? I kind of, even if I have to hire contractors here locally and I don't have a referral or a buddy that owns a construction company for that particular service that I'm looking for, I will look through the reviews real quick, and you can kind of get a pulse of the overall company that way. So make sure you got the reviews on your website. That'll help. And again, you want the higher level things. You want clickable phone number in the top right hand corner. I don't think I mentioned this on here, but the mobile friendly, like I mentioned, you want, if you got an A+ BBB rating, you want to put that on your website, right? Like that's a great credibility source. There's all these like Angie's List, Home Advisor awards. You want to display those as well. And something new that we're actually rolling out now. It's kind of been in beta testing here recently, but you want a chat widget, and our chat widget is a SMS, right? Because for whatever reason, nobody likes to talk on the phone. It seems like a lot of times, he said, everybody just wants to text, right? Especially with the younger generations. So I have some sort of chat bot on your website, because again, some people just don't want to do an email or pick up the phone. They might just want to chat with somebody real quick. Ours in particular turns a chat to a text message, because that way you want to keep the response times quick, right? The tighter you can get back with the leads, the higher your conversion rate will be. But you definitely want to stay on top of those leads. So you guys, if you want to take like 30 seconds just to pull up your website and just quickly scan, the homepage is like, am I missing any of the elements that he mentioned, right? And you can just, obviously you're not gonna be able to fix it right now, but you can make a note to, hey, we need to have our marketing company, or we need to, if you have somebody in-house doing that, we need to have them work on the conversion aspect a little bit, right? Hope you got value out of that video. If you're looking for more ideas and strategies for better ways to market your water, mold, or fire damage restoration business online, you can go to restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there we have a free checklist you can download. It's called the Ultimate Online Marketing Guide for Damage Restoration Contractors. And there you'll be able to get the latest strategies that are working now to really increase your lead flow online. You could probably even 5 to 10x the number of leads you're getting per month from internet marketing. So there should be a link below, restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there you can download the checklist for free of charge, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.